Hi guys, this is John here. In this session, we will look at how to calculate the cost of our product on our Entrepreneurship platform. In the previous theory lecture, I walked you through the different cost elements and how to calculate the cost of your product. And here we will look at the cost of the product carefully. So now, as you see here, there are two elements. There is labor and material. I have explained both labor and material in the theory section. So if you remember, for our product, which is the hollow kit here, we had 4 cost elements. So these were our 4 cost elements. We had acrylic, we had the cutting of acrylic, we had the packaging box, and we had the packaging itself. And we had already explained what is material and labor. So let us go ahead and put this information in our Entrepreneurship platform. So our first expense is acrylic, and acrylic is a material expense. So click on material and put in the amount as 400. Then add another expense, click on plus sign. The second expense was acrylic cutting, and that cost was 100 rupees. Then click on plus sign. Then the third was material, which was the packaging box. That costed us 100 rupees. And the last element is a labor component, which is packaging the box. And this will be 50 rupees. Now, I have already explained to you in theory how to calculate the labor cost. All right. So this gives us a total product cost of 650 rupees. So I hope now on Entrepreneurship, you know how to calculate the cost of making a single product. I hope that's clear for you guys. Okay. When you're done, click save and next. And then you will see the section where you need to put in the cost for your company. This I will take in the next practical session. I hope this section was clear for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next session. Thank you.